Alright, I'm ready to solve these two equations using elimination. I'm going to go ahead and multiply the second one times negative 0.05, 0.75. So what that gives me is I would have 0.075x plus 0.08y equals $469.75. Down here I have negative 0.075x plus negative 0.075y equals, multiplying those two numbers together will give me negative 450. Those will eliminate, and when I add those two together, I get 0.005y equals, adding these two numbers together gives me 19.75. Divide by 0.005 on both sides. Punch that in your calculator, you'll get 3,950. So that means at the 8% interest, this is at 8% interest, there was $3,950 invested. The second amount is much easier to use the second equation. Go ahead and plug in your $3,950. Subtract $3,950 from both sides to get x is equal to $2,050. That would be at the 7.5% interest. So that's the amount that was invested at each different percentage. There's the last type of problem we're going to talk about is the break-even problems. I like to talk about it as profit and expenses. So I'll do a little bit different than what's on the other slide. I like to talk about how we're making the profit, and then we also have our expenses. So I'm going to read through this. We have a typing service. We buy a personal computer for $1,750. That's definitely an expense. You charge $5.50 per page. So that's our profit. We're making $5.50 off every page, so that's our variable. We don't know how many pages we're creating. Expenses are 50 cents per page. Expenses, it tells me. So in addition to buying this computer, I have 50 cents that it costs me per page for the ink, paper, electricity, and other expenses. We want to know how many pages we're going to have to type to break even. Break even is when your profit and your expenses equal each other. So we're just going to set these equal to each other. And we'll go ahead and solve. Minus 50 cents off both sides, I get $5, or 5 times x equals 1,750. Divide by 5 on both sides. 1,750 divided by 5 is $350, or 350. This would be 350 pages that we would need to type.